Welcome back, folks, to another YouTube video. This time we'll be doing the closing to JJ and Avioncito Supervento in Asino, or translated to JJ the Little Plane Super Curl in the Sky DVD from 2010. So let's play the DVD.
Pudo darse cuenta de que no hay mejor lugar que el hogar.
It's from Portslade. Wonderwings.com.
Alright, folks, that's gotta do it for the DVD closing to JJ and Avioncito Supervento in Asino, or translated in English to JJ the Little Plane Super Curl in the Sky DVD from 2010. If you guys enjoy it, be sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to comment down below, ring that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.